it into Power Query, sir, you will find it here. So this is a special linking report. How do you Excel? So you have to simply put it in Excel or in Power Query. That
Okay.
means within Excel, you've got a tally URL, and this is the XML input. Right, so data, balance sheet, this is static variables, and then it will all come into the Power Query. So those videos are there, you can pick it up from here. So I'll
Yeah,
link it up
yeah.
and I'll
I
post it.
already did watch the video, so that so we did contacted to regarding the introduction only.
Right, so this is how, so this is the code you need to copy and then simply replace your XML request here and then do it. So if you need say a balance sheet by a previous period of time, then you can use the Power Query variables, pick up the previous period of time and then specify the SV2 date and then extract the same.
Yeah.
Right, so this is there. So I will also upload this on the site, and this you can download it and then do it. Now, sir, I come here to this particular point wherein I'm saying if I need to analyze the stock summary. So I'm just going over this again here. So a lot of the times the problem that comes is that clients want to understand their gross profit. So they go here, then they go down to columnar, and then they say accept. Am I correct? Yes or no? By
Yeah.
item
Yes.
and
Yes.
party. And
Yes.
then they
That.
say the show the profit. So a shortcut key here. So I'm in a terms of the way in terms of the way of the shortcut keys. If I'm looking at is, so he's basically using D plus A plus S Alt F2. He's selecting the time period Alt F3, selecting the month, and if it's item wise, then he's going it here, right? So if
Yeah.
it means that he's going the complete. Now what happens is if you look at it in terms of the closing rate is on the 31st of August.
Mm.
Right. So first of all, Tally does not do an XML export of your gross profit in the XML because it's not there in the voucher.
Yes.
That is the first thing. So I need to basically export it in Excel. Second is the closing rate is on the last date. You understanding from where this problem is coming. So if it's monthly periodicity for a given year, how many times do I need to export? 12
Yeah.
times. If
Yes.
it's
Monthly.
daily
Yes.
periodicity, then how do we need to export?
It's on daily basis. We have to do it. No.
So 365 times for a year.
Yes. 365 days. Daily
Otherwise,
basis.
it's 730 times. So actually, this is where this role of actually people who are very finicky and who are the high value add customers is that if you look at this, you have to program all these shortcut keys and you have to do them 730 times. That's where our actually the value of automation that comes up.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll get down to it. This thing is there. So these are all parameterized reports, and you can actually test the entire code. It's on the website here, so you can download it. You can check with your TDL developer. These are all there. Cost center, this thing, and I'll also be giving you your Excel module, so we can actually, in case you have got Tally with you, do you have Tally with you and this thing, any local data? So then the Excel you
Yes,
can
sir.
just refresh it and you can actually start seeing it.
Yes, I do have, sir. I'm
When we
actu-
when we come down to stock item batch analysis, it becomes even more complex because each item multiple batches, those parameterized reports have to come. So like the
yeah.
kind of project we would get is, tell me my gross profit by stock item batch wise, perpetual gross profit. That's a tricky
Okay.
problem. Are you getting it?
Yeah,
So
understood, sir.
but this sales number is not the complete number, because so what happens is many TDL developers say no, the sales register it's not the complete number. Your complete number for sales is coming from here. This is your complete sales number.
Yeah.
So you have to hit each time in the XML extract each sales account. So I've given the code, I've opened the code, you can test it out as much as you want, as well as put it in Excel. And I've got the Excel module also, I'll give it to you. So the sales number will come here. Now here what will happen is when you're picking up this particular sales number, so this is not going to be giving you the complete number. This is going to be giving you the output for when you have D plus A plus Alt F2 and F3, that's all. But if you need to go by the month, then it will not give you. Month by month, it is not going to give. Right? Month by month, day by day, it will not give. It will give a summary snapshot.
Okay.
So clear, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so the limitations of the XML extractor is it works only with a single company. Parameterized reports is going to be multiple hits. It only goes top down, which basically entails the shortcut keys. Now, when you do the voucher register extract, then it will be very, very slow. So I'll tell you how the voucher register works is, you go down here, you can download it from here. Right, you go down to the voucher extract here. Here you go. Go down to the voucher extract and click here. Right? And then go down to your tools, you go to a tally connector and click here. Now if I need the sales, so this is my voucher register report, then simply remove this here and simply click sale here. So this sale, this will give you the XML extract for sale by this voucher register. Is this clear? But this will not give you the gross profit.
Okay, I understood.
Clear?
So how do we extract the gross profit?
So gross profit, if you need to extract from tally, then for gross profit, if you need to extract from tally, then there are two ways of doing it is, I'm just going here. I'm going to the account books here. Account books. I'm going to the sales register here. Right. I go here. So you'll have to extract it only through Excel. Right. So if you want to go.
Yeah, in Excel we will get the gross profit.
But you'll have to do it 730 times. If it's for 2
yes,
years,
yes, it's a long process. Like it's a manual intervention each time.
Right.
Each
So
day we
I'm
have to
just
do it.
telling you because as this thing, so this thing is there. Now, in case you have got this problem of voucher register extract, and if you're developing your application on this thing, then the way to do it is to use. So here we'll start coming into picture is that if you need to extract it on a day by day basis, then we will come and we will do the Python coding for you is that we will set up a loop and each day we will extract it and then put it into the database. Then the load will not be much. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So the way to extract voucher register on this thing is go on a day by day, first, second, third, fourth. So if it's this much, these many times the loop has to run. This is where our role will come, if it comes. Is it clear?
Okay.
Because you will know exactly which are the reports in tally, and I've told you the trick. You can have got the download, so you can extract it using XML. You can put it into Excel, you can put it into Power BI also. I'll give you the module also. The module is here. I'll deploy it on your machine, the Excel and the Power BI module. And this Power BI module is nothing. It is 1K for your tally serial number. You will have it permanently. Right? And and you can and you will get this. And so this is the case. So now I go down here. And there's heavy load, so you'll have to go day by day basis, right? The trial balance, as I told you, is not fully extracted. I repeat that point again. Your trial balance in your XML, which is going to come out, is going to be similar as here. If I go on to tally, here, I go to D, T, and then I press Alt F1. That is what your trial balance from tally is going to be like. So this XML extract, which we have been able to figure out, is going to be hitting on this. So any questions, sir? So I hope you are,
really,
huh?
Not really, sir.
Yeah. So I go here. So this is the trial balance, which will be Alt F1. But the other key combinations are not going to be there. So if I pick up F4, F3 and so forth, then they are not there. So this is your trial balance which is coming up. Now the other thing
Yes.
which in this particular trial balance which people told us is that you don't know who's parent. It's coming in one line.
Yeah. Mm.
The group hierarchy is not there. Plus all the ledgers are not there. So ledgers you have to extract it separately through your collection. So you'll make a custom collection and extract the ledgers, closing or opening balance separately to your union. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is how it is there, and this is top-down approach. Now the other thing, because of this top-down approach actually, and you would have seen is that if you pick up these mobile apps, they'll always give you sundry debtors debit balance as your total receivable.
Okay.
Have you seen that? Watch it carefully. But you could have receivables which belong to sundry creditors also. That is why this group and ledger hierarchy flattening is very, very critical.
Yeah.
Right. So this is it. So basically, in order to, yeah. So this is basically now you must have come down to. Did you see only the XML extract or the JSON extract videos also? So the JSON
Uh,
extract, Hanji, yeah.
no, sir. Yeah, please continue.
Yeah, the JSON extract is for unlimited companies. Very first fast extract, complete stock group and item extract, and then tally customizations can be
Customer
handled,
can
and
be
this is
added.
single hit. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
right. So this is your JSON extract, which is there. So basically, for doing this, we are going to use Power BI and the shortcut key reduction. So basically, I mean, the way it works out is we are looking at automating the shortcut keys. That's what this entire tool, about 125 people, who have deployed it, they're basically automating this manual work day in and day out.
Yes, that's
So they are basically automating this manual work, and for that, this thing, I mean, repeated work. This is like huge repeated work. They're automating that. That's where we are. So, sir, with this, I come down to the end of my demo. I'm sorry about that ledger vouchers, that mishap.
no,
We'll
not an
figure
issue.
it out. Yeah, there was, no, it always works. I think there was some wrong, this thing which I don't know. Or I must have missed out on something. I must have missed out on this thing is there.
Not
Right?
an issue. So
But
understanding XML
otherwise,
parameters is important. That's why.
yeah, parameters is there, repeat variables we have covered, and this thing. Now the other thing is, there are two things which are there. Sir, in case you have liked the demo, I'll just close it.